Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Q&A. I hope you've had a great week and welcome back. Today we're talking about whether or not you should be thinking about buying an investment property. So there are a whole bunch of people out there that are asking me if now is the right time to purchase an investment property given the COVID-19 situation and what's happening with the real estate market. So there are many people out there that are expecting the Toronto real estate market to crash and kind of waiting for that to happen and wondering if now is a good time to buy or wait. And in the next few months is now a good time to buy an investment property. We've talked about this, I think, every week. So far, we've not seen a decline in prices in the Toronto real estate market. And honestly, I don't anticipate that happening anytime soon. However, there are some secondary markets and other markets in and around Ontario where maybe things are a little bit softer. So if we're talking about buying investment properties, let's talk about your options. You could kind of wait and see how things happen if you want to buy something in Toronto and see if the prices go down and kind of wait that out. See how it goes. The other option, of course, is to consider buying an investment property outside of the city. Now, we've talked about doing this a few times before because I think it's something that people don't necessarily consider when they're thinking about buying an investment property. I myself have some investment properties outside the city, and I think it's a really good opportunity for you to invest in a growing market if you pick the right market, of course. One that has good rental rates, one that has a nice increase year over year in the market. So now might be a good time for you to consider doing something like that. What are some good markets you might want to consider? I would say places like Durham region, particularly maybe Oshawa, or prices are a little softer there. Hamilton, London is a really good market for you to consider this year. Kingston. These are some markets that are still decent, but they're maybe a tiny bit softer than they were. So that might be a good option for you. For those of you thinking that you are, really wanting to wait and buy something in Toronto instead, I think that's, an option. You just have to really crunch some numbers and know that at the rate prices are increasing, it would have to take a pretty significant drop for a lot of you to wait and get those deals that you're hoping to get, and I just don't know if that's going to happen. So I've got lots and lots of thoughts about investments and where you should be looking and what type of property, and I would be happy to share those with you. I'm not going to put it all in this video, otherwise it would just be too long, but you know where to reach us if you want more information. Anyone on my team can help you out. We would love to have that discussion with you. So please like and share this video with anyone you think might be interested, and always happy to have comments, and appreciate you watching as always. And we'll see you next week. Bye for now.